of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. If 2 is added to both of its numerator and denominator, then the sum of new fraction and the original fraction is 29 divided by 20. Find the original fraction. Numerator be x. Then the denominator be x plus 3. Hence, original fraction is equal to x divided by x plus 3. What is the next criteria? If 2 added to both of the numerator and denominator. So, x plus new fraction is equal to x plus 2 divided by x plus 5. Okay. Then the sum of the new fraction and the original fraction. This is the original fraction and this is the new fraction. Well, if sum of these two, original fraction and new fraction, is 29 divided by 20, that is x divided by x plus 3 plus x plus 2 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 29 divided by 20. Now solving, cross multiplying these two. X into x plus 5 plus x plus 2 into x plus 3 all divided by x plus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 29 by 20. X square plus 5x plus x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 the whole divided by x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15, that's equal to 29 by 20 is equal to 2x square plus 10x plus 6 the whole divided by x square plus 8x plus 15, that's equal to 29 by 20. I will cross multiply these two. 2x square plus 10x plus 6 into 20 is equal to 29 into x square plus 8x plus 15. That's equal to 40x square plus 200x plus 120 is equal to 29x square plus 232x plus 435. Rearranging, we will get 11x square minus 32x minus 315 is equal to 0. Here we get the quadratic equation. Now solving the quadratic equation, we will get the value of x. This quadratic equation will factorize this 32x as 11x square minus 77x plus 45x minus 315 is equal to 0. From these two terms, we will take x as common. So, x into 11x plus 45, and from these two terms, we will take minus 7 as common. That's we will get 11x plus 45 is equal to 0. That is 11x plus 45 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here 11x plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 45 divided by 11 or x is equal to 7. Now here it's a fraction, x is equal to minus 45 divided by 11, not taking, we will get x is equal to 7. From the beginning, we will take the original fraction as x divided by x plus 3. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 7 here. 7 divided by 7 plus 3, that's equal to 7 by 10. This is the original fraction, 7 by 10. That's all in this video, dear children.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.